I will show you how mad they behave for real life. May God punish you. You not person where they proud to say they date. Now you don't get work and you don't get life. You not person. Hey, with this is not a person. You want your belly they big, no they ever they less. I don't know the way you born the tension, the way you put for belly. You want your mouth they smell. You want to say if you not suck my toto that time, you know they feel the fuck. Your prick not the entire inside well because your belly cover your toto. Inside here, and I not say yeah, but the day. Every they will be you can't make the prick come small for inside. Make up on it. Who you can they lie? Now me for the chopper before you enter. After I chop and I pass and give you inside my relationship, I there for the eye the chopper. It will they go out go to see if I no couldn't say if they go to see. Go see one go also money. In the corner with the corner different girls centro. I did relationship with a we. Now it take come up for Germany. I did take King mother that they say he date if when the Austria. King mother they say not date if not soon like they all they use now they play caricature for inside na team for caricature. Boy me the fuck when me put for house for Munich. I don't dump her. Now it take go meet if all of us are fair for I will sabi if for Facebook then too. If you go still know me, if you can remember or if you go talk truth. If you go still know me. That time when people told me the guy issue, I know that for Facebook then. I know that after that they social media. I know they talk. But me, I don't get my own friendship with my own people. I know they borrow and they did my lane. Even not be my video they post. I for no content or come talk. May God punish you. I dump where finish. The same boy when we dump, no go they let us the year work for TikTok again. And it's nothing. My husband is we'll go ask the single mother. Then my husband come up. I swear to my father grave. When your husband will come my house part 225. I wish I carry all my cons. I can't target when I take the game of Venison. Open to friend, come now, all those things, no? You know, come back to you. But your husband and mom will be saying, you know, they freak me.
Now, liability.
You know, go feel fuck. You know, get anything to bring to the table. Stress too much for Germany. All of us need when they try for itself. I don't think carry my ability to join me. I will suffer. Because me myself, I feel the smart to survive. Shall not think any person when not get anything out during my life. Now suffer every day so.
Okay, we not sabi fuck. Now it's sabi suck.
It's sabi the suck. Yeah, the
no, they stop to
they let the work.
If they pay me say, people you can say you know they suck it to. That means there's something there.
Oh, now wait till I know I will tell in case of swear. They suck my toto. They la low. I know never wash. You get one day, I can't see my period. We say put toto. Now I say my period stand and cut the vest. Oh, why now? Then the period make come on. I know what they do now. Oh, why now? Why only? When the period make come on, baby, why now? Cut the vest. Never put period finish. Every couple my toto. This is not the saga. I don't go talk with you. I know if I don't know, I nobody tell me say make me come talk say I know a we. Not today with that talk now. I don't talk ever since that the man my business they do my thing because you never come for me. I never come for her. Not today I know. If nobody tell me say I can't talk say you know a we. I really need to say it because you don't the finger me they come. And I say okay, man I see point for this man high. Since you say now only you wicked, not be only you wicked. Man they fear us go any squat for us. It doesn't make sense. This is not the saga. Feel like take it, feel like don't take. I don't give a head. Me not tell what me want. I ain't know what me they talk. And I say like a goosey that time we say more. But then now the better that big that they go punish you. What I not do for you? I go still help you your do. You go leave me for us. You go Austria. You go meet EVA. You still come back to my house. Even to the extent my social council they carry market. You the chop market. Say children for the house they fear you because I don't want that charge home. I tell Munich. Oh, just flat, you fight, then they go there.
We still date TV. I say we still date TV.
Yes, now for example, my relationship, because they date if you get one get blades that time, they get the Austria. So you got the date. I want to say they be friends, so all those things. So before I know, and this month they go Austria, they go so after they say, even if they do something. So the only reason why our relationship not last because if they give her money. If they give her money, all those, you know, they give her money, you don't get money that time, you know that you get her. Everybody when they join me, when you get her, they know how they be with you, get that situation. So they want to pay me like that, and small change, all those things. So it wasn't easy for me. So every night,
that's all it. Now they knock for that toilet.
Yes, not be one evil to today, we know that agree say that evil. You know say that toilet evil. I say we go see the guy say no date, he not date evil. Now make I come surprise you when they do marriage, if you see the way they do for everywhere for house, you know who they shame. No, you don't fuck. You see get mad your wife like this, man. You get mad though. You get mad. Now you want to social media, not fucking you. If we fit deny first daughter, who we no go fit deny?
Stop me for toilet. Stop me for toilet. Stop me for toilet. Your Okada, drop me for toilet.
Una godfather, una epa, una ewi, una big toilet. My best product, my expired product, my drop and dump. I dump him. He deny your first daughter. Who am I going to deny? If we with evidence of my breeze, if they deny my breeze, he not touch on my breeze. Voice record they ground with evidence. Who be me get Vicky? When you going to deny? May God punish you. It is like the joke. Now I carry money go to pay this phone. I not understand I'm going to pay this phone. I see the money I want to go swear for a winner. Maybe tomorrow, sir. The craze. God punish you. Hey, we are going to swear for you. Not go no peace.
Okada, drop me for toilet. Drop me for toilet, Okada. Okada, drop me for toilet. Okada, ma, drop me. Toilet. Who be this man? Who be this place where say as a man don't date a woman who does not have shame? Now God go punish you because they don't get shame.
Money for me, more take for a week. May God punish you. You don't like this way. If you see document for this rope, now I know why. I join the people when monk you. That document, sister, me protect me, they don't carry you go as me. I they cost you now. Say that document, you go suffer. You will suffer. So I see your people enter this toto. You will suffer. Every day now, Choma give me some tax. They tell me I can't do book waiting. I know that. So I don't know why they not the prick. They put the kill. And I talk the word. Not be means my mouth take talk. When I don't know why they like the prick with my blabla breast.
Okay, see what Elizabeth talk. Oh, he said he knock my friend. My friend testify. You know something now sucking.
Oh, Shebi, now say they do. If your friend come tomorrow, God brother, you go say no that day.
I tell you they lala for lala when I clear road for her. If he hold her today, 1 hour he dey there.
Idiot. You go deny say not know the person. Now what did they vex me for her? What did they have to say? I know the girl, but not vex. I don't know say they call MK because I understand say you don't know people for MK. But since then when she show me that you don't know say me be the MK and I make her for the beer. So you know we even call you. Even Sonia, now me call Sonia when they come confess to join club. Sonia, I talked to Sonia. Sonia called me say so for that say I make a sort test. I don't even want to call Sonia. I don't want to call Sonia.
Vicky, I bet put me for moderator. No, I want to highlight some things.
Okay, Sonia and a person say if I still call for something, they always see the.
They ask.
I not put you for moderator. No access to. You say no, they follow me. Now I follow you back. You know they follow me. I not put you.
Okay, I don't follow you. They ask for comment section whether you are big. You know big.
It's small now. Now belly cover prick now. That not be question self. They know they see the man. Belly cover prick now. I don't understand. I know you're not in touch since. I also work. Prick. The same match. You know now they use like they do saga. Who they kill you? And they tell you what's happened in the past. They tell me rubbish. I be like they use like they do saga. And why give a half a bow now? They crazy. And I not big rich mother of 9 years or going to 10 years. I don't know things what I do in the past. Even the process, even when me for do shit, where I know saying I made day wrong in the past, I still know. When me for still fuck up while they date cartel, I still know. And I wish I know I for not date that boy. I still talk until tomorrow. Because the moment when that boy asked me what to be my Sunday, now that time for decline that boy come off for my life. May God punish you now. As I now make I tell people say when somebody is doing you something, just know that they know what they are doing. Not let anybody come tell you, I don't know when I take down a mistake, I don't know say now you not lie. As I tell, so if I do something, I know what I do. And I know say now you, I just want to do unto you. And I take it or you leave it. May God punish you.
I bet put me for moderator now. Now they miss comment. Oh, come so things they stop for this comment, eh?
Nothing they saw. Then you need to be comments where not your comment go to miss.
Wait, Emilia say soon I go bring out a wee prick. I beg. People
not be bad comments. Now they control the comment section.
Not be bad comments. I they talk about. I want they like some comments so that people go they see and make they know they miss some comment section. They sweet.
Ah, okay.
Your own are for the bad one. They remove me.
I don't have to join. When I double tap for me, because we never play record finish. But when they talk after now they understand the record. Now no say me not really get strength for those that hey we nonsense. Now you get crowd, me I get mad. You get crowd, me I they talk with evidence and proof. You they get me so? You get crowd, eh? Me, I know wetin I dey talk. Real fat story now they tell. Now not be say mad. See, now better person that they proud say they do things with. Even not just join. But with the fact say, you know that kind of thing, now your head boyfriend come carry person come in platform, make they look less, they talk you down. Boy, when you save me, they not deport go Nigeria. Boy, when you help all the documents, go come up for your house, you go say they come go suck another toto. And the toto na Enogie. I wish I get a picture for matter for your man and no be Enogie. Now that's a boy. Boy, we know the boat suck if I dey cough. And that same boy will come on social media now go bring out the social media talk to me. If they say why Bado they call you Godfather, why I will call you Godfather? I don't understand. My ass prick.
Godfather, where they
Bado look up to you. Why I will look up to you?
See what Bado want deny and say he never fuck a wee before.
No man, I see what Bado when they find what they suck a wee prick. When they find what they fuck a wee. I need my busy what Bado. Be not small for a body. You know, see, I better you say that time where me and see why Bado Saka they go on. I make one statement. I say I'm not gonna Saka see why. Now Lima want me call me busy why. Alima, thank God my call. Not vessel. I know this matter I won't concern you. I me just call your name. I not still call you. Join me busy why. Don't they bitter for that side because me not really get that side. You don't say me. I really carry that saga for head that time. And I mean do that saga away. I know so you still join the open. I me carry that saga away for head. So me no feel now come the saga person when me don't fair head come up for inside suffer. So I beg you them they bitter they go no so much they say country. Me don't we since we say country. Hey we I hold on for neck. Yeah like this. Go die for my neck today. Don't say anything. Go tell me say the craze. I want craze for you so. We'll see for real life. I will show you how mad person they do. Idiot. See why Bado see your life. Now Lima they beat you ever since then. You know fit talk. I tell you I'm not gonna beat you. But people don't go beat you for me. And I thank God now your best friend and they disgrace you so. I thank God. I see why Bado when call me for video call, they show me Toto, they took and put. And he come they sort me so. You see when I swear I will really kill you. Now that's where pay swear for you. When people they swear for you for this app. Plus one way Felicity to still swear for you. Now I will kill you. Because Felicity call that I say, stop get my mama get money for juju, you get money for wahala. So now that's where I will kill you. All you swear when everybody don't swear for you for this. I will do one don't swear for you for this TikTok. Papa for TikTok, I don't really get your time. And that's when I will kill you. Oh, baby, Olosho will not green maker. The only scripper, but they call will not green maker for Europe. The only girl that Europe since 8 years will not green work. The only girl when they come up from underage, you see the bill like underage. The only girl when they get shit for her, when they wear catapult pipe where they go father, they no respect. As they come see this idiot rich. As they see this every rich, no respect na pipe that they wear for where in day. You want to talk to me because the people they talk to me, go and be your papa left now, we, your mama toto, go and be idiot. Come Munich again. If they burn you well, come Munich. Or if they burn you well, post every location saying you they call Stuttgart on the second because of you, I will call Stuttgart. Now I hesitate do your for Stuttgart. If they burn you well, come Munich. Just post I they Bayern Munich. Now I can show you how mad person they do. Just like the craze. I will really craze for you. You don't know that one. Say for real life, you want me to slap. This dirty man went in my background. Not be same man. For real life, you want me to slap and I go do one. If I see you, even if na next year, even if na next 2 years, some are not come already now. August now we are outside. I know now come for play for Westphalia. I don't come spend 1 week for there. Come chop one better prick. If you prove I chop that time.
Mama Nara really time go
I'll just the dead prick. Make they carry me the work out and religion. Then they see you. Uber to Uber, train to train, bus to bus, car to car. We know the borrow they go until I cash you. Now not they go fish buy again. You know they go club again. I think they come Munich again. They don't forbid you from Munich we. Now I see you. I go show you the way we man. You know say Mama Laura not the craze. In the thing say they craze. But she forget say she not the craze. Mama Laura, you say me a small girl. But I get 9 years old baby going to 10 years. And my daughter then Kumare 3, going to Kumare 4. And my daughter I just want picking oh. And you get
the bath.
This one they we not go better for your mama. We tell us you come here. Oh, you say you don't know me. Hey, Enogie. You don't forget that time when I squat you for my ass. Now they feed you. Enogie. You don't forget when I put you for my ass, they feed you for Dion's plats. You say you don't know me, or go kill your mama for me. If your mama never die, go die this afternoon. You hear me so? You You go die for your mama high. Let God punish you. Then your mama go die for your wife house. You say you don't know me? I'll go swear for you. As you dey watch me, so they tell you say me, Victory, and Mike, I'll go swear for you. And as you say I be mad woman, I go show you what mad woman they do for real life. You think say your wife when you put for house a craze. You don't know me. Very soon you go understand they come here Mike. Then if you say you be 7-7, you already born, you are tested, come Munich. Come buy Munich. Shey na you be the man. Make the move. Come buy Munich. Me I use it to shine ground. Me I use it to comfortable well. Me I use it to do okay. Make God punish your mama for me. Make God punish your papa for me. Idiot. When I call you, why you dey go toilet they pick my call? The time when you about those saga they ground, what you tell me? Every wetin you tell me for call? I not call you, now you not talk for phone. Knock your wife, not call you. Knock your wife, not call you. Make God punish you away. You want your pricks this small. You want your prick they smell. You want to say not suck my toto. You know they feel the fuck prick. You know they feel the suck. You know they feel the fuck toto. You can't show me that they talk to me. See why I say my phone I take the pack breast. Why I not use phone pack the breast now? Hey, we tell your wife make come up brand for a breast.
This comment will go up. So they say, who wrote this comment?
Go punish you. You see that you want.
It's not okay with the knock Lady Jane. Which Lady Jane? Wow,
that's what they do. That's how they do. Any get see.
I
don't say they knock you. Sandra, you never knock away. Sandra, when they was fighting, you never knock away. Let God punish all of you now. All of them when they run the follow away for West Side, they never knock away. Let God punish you now. Now small they making guess and never even suck the prick self.
Now that one we dey talk again.
Mona stay away from you. Mona stay away from me. I not be a regular. Mona stay away from me. Not be because na problem. Your husband cared for me. And people you cannot fit talk to your husband. Man, shut the fuck up. I just go do you. People you get they do you go like her. Make God punish you. If they do you go like her. Your useless husband carry one mumo show come me plan for me. They insult me. Now I come insult you back. You say no know me. God punish you. People you can. For you to get back. To take that place of marriage, God punish you. For you to take that place of marriage, God punish your mama for me. Now that Ogu when my mama said they worry you, they go kill you. Now that Ogu when I say your mama they worry you, they go kill you. I be small picky, but I get picky when you know your 4 cockroach. I be small picky, I get picky when you know your 4 cockroach. Pray me I not see your husband for party because if I see your husband for party I will show the way my president do for real life because me now don't really craze and I want your husband body to start the craze. May God punish you. People are talking, you are talking. Your husband come for me as a good wife. What you talk? I beg God do not vex. Since you say I be small picky, you want to be mature person. You will behave as mature woman. I beg not vex. We don't know say you be the MK. Oh, sister, I beg not vex you. Because I never come for now. No, now my husband let this sound. God will punish you. You think I be like you went fat for ground. You think I be like you went fat for ground. When to turn on the open. Your toto not the open. Your husband, you go defend toto. You know go open. See my husband, I go open. You know say open. Your toto not the open for your husband. You don't talk to me. You want your belly cover toto. You ain't come to your contact say you know they wash toto till 1 p.m. in the morning. How a power wife was dating 1 p.m. no wash toto. They thought to see go on now when you wash toto 3 times a day.
Now focus this
They talk to mama, so they wash toto. You say go on that they carry your husband they call us. Me I dey let you know say. Me I dey let you know say your husband better you get single mother when know they are said. They know they carry your husband they go hotel now ask they carry them come. Your husband who's there for you women? Joel, let the record. Me I find the picture of. Now I find the picture of when your husband take communic. My wife knows I know title. When husband take communic, when they talk say one come ask. Now I'll put toto for a me suck again. Now tell I say no. I don't get how this do. So now when they talk I know I move on. I know I'm gonna go kill now. God punish me. Even a human person don't get out. But if I tell you make do transfer, I go fit do transfer. Make God punish my mouth for me. They create one to MK. People are talking, they talk. When I they play talk,
comment and use your destiny.
They're not
let me guess. They say they call another V where say if you want your cash.
Now that side they stay, yes. But they stay outside. Now they stay. So if the man say you not getting tested, how far you communicate?
Now they hear that.
They say we are lady. You communicate. Now show you where my person is here. Or anytime you come and stand there, then if you see, let me go back ask you. Let me see the can't just slap and will give you for you to say the mad woman. I want to show you the way mad woman they behave. I'll be mad woman, 10 years speaking there with me. They're not the top police. Police on the enter this house. Police on the enter this house. They enter my ass. I'll be mad woman. Police on the enter this house. They enter my ass. They go punish you. After today live video, I'll go swear for you. Please don't come for me. Please don't come for me. Finish before I will finish it. I want to make God punish you good mama. Make God punish you your mama. What I do now? Your husband insults me and I react back. You say well, I will react. So your husband say no me. Is that so? Is that so? You know what is why I don't talk about you. May go kill now. See when I swear will really kill you. I don't say you be picking when swear will kill. I don't fear escape that swear. You not go fear escape. Play back up for me first before we fire that God punish you. Or idiot. As you say, no me go disgrace you finish today. I'll go swear for you. Go and do your work. I know they come for you again. I'm done with you after today.
Maybe that's because you not send me sweet voice notes. If I send a sweet voice note. Alalwe. Oh wait. Send me sweet voice notes.
You get my own camera for me. You get my own camera for me. They talk to me anyhow. You get mine. They talk to me. You want me squad for us. You, I had to be say person I help. You go they talk to me anyhow. I say I'm go face you while you see you. I go use you well. I go do you what you know good. Your mind go day. See they worry you. You want to go post people in mama face. You want to come post people in mama face because I keep on quiet. What I do now? Instead of today kind to now. Why your wife they when you buy the craze for social media? Why your wife not feel advisor? Why your wife not feel kind of enter house? Why your wife not feel
control at the come? Every control to come and they meet all those idiots.
And so what? I have left for this to come house come beat me now. What you still wait for? May God punish you. Oh, baby, this is me and the Zwados na mumuzwa. If not be able to go me let up they come my name for a platform plus 2 people go the type for this TikTok. It is say I've ever come up for a week. This is I get time. I don't leave saga. No, they do saga again. If every say they craze, why not come TikTok when we get TikTok 223, 224? We don't do the entire they come on for TikTok. Now you come TikTok around they start saying now you get TikTok, God punish you. Yeah, if you post it for our face, we'll poke at for your face. No, cinema. For this hack. You know nothing I mean they not deport this your husband. I dare I'm not gonna be ladies when they not deport her. Now after I don't chop your husband, now this girl can't carry and if I devil they chop and when if they come carry. Well no jala. She say no know me. And you come come swear. Come swear. Me go swear for you for your behalf. I go swear good for you. I go swear anything when I know for that Bini. Now I go swear for you. Since you say you don't know me, I dey lie. I go swear for you because me I know you and you know me. May God punish you. You not tell the WhatsApp don't dey craze and don't know inside the talk. When I dey call you for WhatsApp, me come fight for see why you don't know side the craze. That day when I call you for WhatsApp, say test me in live video. When you come up, when you come up the same time as I just come up, you never tell me you just come up say see why live video. You don't know side the craze. God go punish your mama for me. God go punish your wife to talk for me, idiot, mogo. I go show you what mad they do person. You go feel am for your body. I go saga me. I tell your power reach. Nonsense. Play the record for me. Now I feel drink something, relax myself. Now power they take the craze.
Mike, I hear what you talk. The thing you say, Enogie, I believe say maybe you know want me the word no. Say you are in done date. You and Enogie date now. That should be about 218, I think 218. That time one date. That normal. You and Enogie now do relationship now. Why you call it deny? Say you don't know you. You don't make sense now. If there's problem,
wait first. Enogie, you don't hear this voice. You don't know this voice. You want to swear with Lord? I know you can't swear with Lord and say no they talk for this voice record. Every can't swear with Lord and say you don't know they talk for that voice record. Every can't swear with Lord ahead. Say if you don't know they talk for that voice record, may Lord die for your hair. But if you know they talk for that voice record, may Lord live for you. Can't swear as you say don't know me become a person daughter too. Thank God say now get how you get it for ground. May God punish you. And I can't swear say don't know they talk for that voice record. Now I write for Facebook that time. Also as one that friends. When you dem my house, you don't use your phone take call Larry White, you not talk. May God punish you. When you dem my house, you know they give me your do I will help you now your 1 month husband, you don't go meet TJ for Austria. Hey, we You go meet Ivie, come swear say you never knock Ivie, come swear say you not date Ivie, you not get business with Ivie apart from friendship. You dey create boy me chop leave because they will know what they talk. Not be me for this say they cheat so nice before you can't go meet your Ivie. Wetin make me leave you? Wetin make the church not well? Not because they tax me money, I not get money the way they give you. If they give you money, not be make us not end up together. We quarrel. I offend you. Now you toast me, not be this thing. I said I toast me, make God punish me, they shame. Me say they shame for that. I said they disgrace the wife for social. Who be my daughter? Your blog that document for you, make God punish you, shame kill you. Or go out better. My video come out and not shame.
He said they shame. He said they shame for every.
Okay. I still say we go the share for me. Sorry.
No, I dey read comments. Don't worry.
Now what I prove, I say no get shame on you. Now what is
shame on you?
Sorry. Comment section not verse. No say para dey body for this side. Because we are not too much.
Go school. We not be like people here can we not go school not go.
I don't understand. If not be me, your husband go dey Nigeria. I not be same man. You see they verse me. When I said this for yesterday when it's spoiled, I got repair. I'm not understand later I talk. I got repair. I wasn't joking when I said I know this bastard. And this man that is speaking on this voice record is my godfather. Then he know both of us. He know all of us as couple. He knows this guy never did the picture. He even still talk and say now last I this guy take on the picture. Last me not coming when this guy take on the picture. Come in there, come on, leave them. I know they stay with father. The industry come on for Munich, so I'm not going to give a fuck about lifestyle. So what you make I to say prick what all 280, 226. What did the prick when all they work, when all they bring money on table. You dey grace. If I dey papa day school, and not much they send for steady night they support my pikin when they here. Or go out and now come carry prick when they outside. See yet, oh bolo we bole. Oh baba jere lu, we ba jere lu. Ava shan yo dala, ava shan yeke. Aswa, e big baba me la gbe. O kala gbe.
Oh we have one.
Ula miokan. You idiot. Now you want to tell me what I will post, make God punish you. You get your ex-boyfriend picture of 280, make God punish you. If now you will see, you will remember you date for 280. You get any evidence of 280 of anybody when you fuck that time, make God punish. When they change prick every 2 days.
Don't come out. As far as the person don't come and talk, we don't get whatever.
You know what? I believe
the poster because if I post, I believe myself too. My face there is the picture.
You know what? I believe 100%. Because not be you first find their trouble. You there on your own. When we drag your matter come out, in one can deny and I say no, the person you not go talk say you don't know.
That's me. He went first up. He said this is my guy. She just quit ball. What to do your own no quit ball. Now me say me not the video put auto for you. We made a poop prick. Now me tell you, we don't me not even need to open. I don't need to spread. My period don't start soon, so now they careful. All these little people, they not still like me like that. I don't need to stress. Say you put down. You put down, and I don't do it. Day, put the prick, put some. This time, put some. Which one? I know where your husband name. Go give her. I see go mother they don't know. So that's I see go mother wow. You like crazy. You office that top of prick. I see go mother they don't. They're not boy your husband when I do my tutorial like this.
This is for prick. Why you don't use?
They're not boy your husband when I do my tutorial like this.
You don't use kind of way establish to talk on them.
They're not boy your husband when I do my tutorial like this. We swear say no they do for my tutorial that time. Swear say no they do.
Every time you call wife you not look at lesbian.
God swear. Swear say no they post split for my tutorial. Now we do this smart. Let God punish you. I not be like your wife. When before they want fuck her, they will carry belly go up. Husband carry belly, wife carry belly. I don't know you can they fuck on herself. See, for my own case. Now so if your husband wife carry and go up, if you raise man, put the prick. You see, if I still decide like this, if all that better, for the rock on so. I still don't want that they sit on top of prick. You the craze. You get toto. You went belly cover tutu. With the laba breast, go sit come on brown, come on club, go they do like this, breast with the dance join hand, with the clap, boom, 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 boom. That's like you get toto. The toto carry grace. The toto carry grace, now your prick not the poop for his ass. Me, let you get peace of mind. Your toto carry grace, now your prick not the stays ass, me, you get peace of mind. Your prick give you peace of mind, now you the grace for social media every day by day, mama Laura. Your every he give you peace of mind. Now you dey craze every day by day for social media. I said now we be single mother when they start up a prick. You want me to collect that prick for your 100 hours. and nothing will happen. But for me, I don't get interest because I know they do with old men. And I know they do single father of 5 or 6. And yes, I don't get a bomb boy for her. 6. Let God punish you. I said that maybe they don't get single mother when they sit on top of prick. If that man that comes and do you yourself will not say that toto, nine go top of that prick. People you can just sit down for your prick. Hey, you don't like that like this. Let people you can sit down like this. They do press up for your prick. You are going to use that they massage your belly or your breast. You don't do what people you can. They talk to me. As I small rich, I dey chill with the big boys. Ask question for Westphalian. Now I count 2 boys when I don't chill for Westphalian. Not be say who couple, real relationship. That one I just see fuck you well. Now I see tell you. May you go out there and take the. But I don't know where you put body. God punish you. Yes, I don't want people. I never married. I just single. Now my life. I live the life that I want. I can choose to date who I want to date. I know nothing as 2 people now with people from the past. Mona ask people you care. What that is the feel sit down on top of prick. Now your husband they cheat up and down.
I go use this saga take cook.
If I don't use brand for your breast, see my breast, no brand. See my flat breast, no brand, no. See no brand. Show us your own. You know the way it's on the road. You don't come fast, carry phone, put for one corner, screenshot and take for tomorrow saga. The man. I beg. When I don't money for me, I take buy more phone. I put for breast like this. You know easy to get flat breast. Breast. I don't want to buy me phone. No put for the breast. Make big. Breast when we for the sock. To say easy. Now I said that I come. You know, people love you.
We don't answer wahala. We don't answer again.
You dey mad. Why you dey suck the breast? No,
this one be that for. It don't fuck up.
Now you use your mouth.
We don't
Now you use your mouth. Say, you know the watch Toto. Ask Egui at the apartment. At the watch Toto that time 2 times in a day. 2 times. It's not my every day. Before we go bed, I'll still go watch Toto. Your husband, I know, so you know they like to bath that kind of first. I mean, go bath. Because you more bath so that I would feed the, that soap when you take bath, you they send for your body. Because your husband get body odor. You know, you talk another day, your husband get my odor. Okay, what's it called the bed for the body odor? Because you not talk everything finish. Then God punish you. So me they talk, you they talk. Once I got me pay because when I get the platform, I might use the train. When I don't they go for 2023. I don't date Facebook for a very long time. Waiting for self for know me. I don't date Facebook for I got my baby. God punish you. I know you like when my daughter small. And now I want to defend what you call her what you call her say popularity. Now God punish you. When I made the fan husband, the fan want to enter house, the fan want to get job license, the fan want to get their behinds or obituary. I don't want to position their life, they feel the pay what they want. Now come there, you're a single father when like don't tire.
This is you. As in, they tell me too often until the date. You the kiss her. How not the kiss self?
Godfather, host, if you want host, if I want to talk about, I'm not talking about that. But me, I don't get much. Now, these things where I don't get, now I just get so. But if I will push me, I go do pass as I dey do rich so. I go do pass as I dey do rich. And tomorrow, anytime, I go swear for a week. I will swear for you. Anytime, can be anytime. I don't know. Me, I'm not go give date. If I swear for my, if it's sweet me, I'll put off my page. Because why you like say no know me? So me know, I mean what me they talk. So therefore I'll swear go for I'll come up for the platform. The person I want this work for TikTok. You take TikTok as your job, as your work, since you did jobless. Me, I not did jobless, I not be liability. So I'm not
that's right. Me, I want to get with me one cook. If you want to tell me, I go saga you for this TikTok. I go saga you for this TikTok. If you know that I go saga you.
Plan finish me, I mood. Okay, no, but I just not try to talk. Sorry, my love you.
I go saga you. I go saga you for this TikTok.
I don't hear we. I don't do anything. I don't get it. If you are going to like, when I reason now, my fellow women, when I try to understand my point. How you go feel? You do on your own. Your head will even the platform. You know they go there, go they sort out. You will even do like normal human being for comment section. Still on command. Okay, at the end of the day now, that same mumu else come bring out the show when to the roti when they smell come your platform when go record buga pre post online when be fair to dirty see why bad though. May see that as their life they useless. Now they not tell who say they record buga pre for online oh. They not tell you that one, but now they fight other innocent people say because they drag you. What do you do before the felicity because they drag you? You not tell you that one. What do you do before friendship come went wrong? Una not go tell we. Now the one with the other person do not go tell we. Now me converse come answer say okay, me not be my friend. You also no say I will say first my friend. I was okay, me na cause my friend I make I thought that one. You also no say me and that girl dey play still like that. So what do you go to call my name for? Okay, not be me with say shut up. It's okay. If I became not join the matter, stop. If I became not join the matter, stop. Not the call her name again and my ex-girlfriend. Stop. I dated you and I dumped you. Not be same math. Now me leave you miserable. After to that's so miserable. I dare among of the women when dump you. You the Chris. I feed you, I squat you, I put you in my room. You stay under my roof. Now me made not deport to go in Nigeria when you get to 1 month or 5. It's they tell me a week. This dirty man where I feed. If it's my mother at all, not be me chop, me go back to Italy, me go continue and shower work. You can't go the ship put, the born rats. They talk to me when get I go on the later, my mother, I may go punish you. As you say, they crazy. You say, I don't know, not me, you carry out my now live video for the ask my question. You know if you get shit. As a better wife, things like this happen. You carry your husband into house. Honey, I know say you don't say. I better tell me the truth. This girl no feel the lie. Me I'm a woman to woman. This girl no feel the lie. Say, you know, woman with the right sense will come social media. Come they talk say, I don't know this way all those kind of stuff. No, for this girl to talk and she know what she talk. I know understand. If person even want. If person even want they proud of, man, not be person like your husband that they proud to say they date to. Not be person like your husband. Then you go follow your husband talk as a better wife. Then you go here with your husband will tell you, no, you dance for that video. You date this girl, and as one girl should be. Oh, if I don't shoot your husband, you will know that it's small girl.
I know if it's deny you.
That's small girl. They said the best way to deny is doctor. Now me no come deny. That's small girl should be. Oh. Like seriously,
because I say people here can deal with her for us. Today go this time go fit deny the children.
How many years you say people here can play the record for them? Play the record. Now leave the problem for that need to talk.
Which limit?
Nah.
Sagade.
Mama Grace, you get 2 phone. Mama Grace. Because WhatsApp not this one. I don't know how to forward that record. Come this WhatsApp. Come this phone. You get 2 phone, Abi?
I got another phone.
You for pressure. Help me forward and give her. If I help us play the record, oh, because pressure, not be pressure. Joy don't come for us.
It don't come up for us.
You not take people here can they post your picture for life.
May they post and I'm they wallet down one. Idiots. They not like you. True, they bitter than idiots. You know they shame. Now prick when don't die, they fight put. Prick when you short tongue. You reach your tongue. Not when you can't enter us. You say no, but let us get peace for social media. Me everybody they tell now. God punish you. After today life, I'll go so good for your husband. You and your husband see they crazy. They go to for not get life. Two idiots. You know they fear me. Why you call my life? You know what you come for my life video. You know why you call my life video? They make God punish you. You know they better they wash your toto. You know toto they bouquet. The crazy, you talk to me. I said, and I may be single mother when they run. Sit down, stop. Sit down, stop. What's that running you, bitch? Now let me sit down, stop. The crazy. If you don't do that one for your husband, prick. Your husband go like that. You might be saying your leg not even open finish. Not talk about to open. Yeah, no open. Yeah, no open. Not talk about
I go block anybody like that.
God punish you. You might be saying muko. They come out for your toto. Your husband will first suck my toto when muko. They come outside before I come pass and give you. They talk to me. God punish your mama. You thank us and not get off in a picture.
You don't forget say you lick your period. You not tell us say lick your period.
You don't forget. When they suck my toto, when they beg me and not push you for outside, let government not deport to go Nigeria. You don't forget. When you did Munich, When my sister come meet me, say this boy the same market.
People like must come and say the
Why? You don't get shame. You say you small people, but they come outside for me. I drag your husband 1,400 wash me, you the grace. I drag you. This I be here, oh. I not be here, oh. Now because they talk, I see them make your queen mother, you the grace. Which day you come the app? Why is the party collect finish? Epa. Gadata, that should free. Come out to buy 100 euro na your problem.
The worst thing, if you never know, you go jump on my side. It will be
for frequently done.
Like a 50 euro, they'll carry your husband.
I wish that your husband dump me. I wish that your husband dump me. I go the year for frequently dump. Now me say me not the video put for your husband. When you want to carry your frustration put for my body, or go out better. I didn't tell you for this side. We not the rent hotel to the fuck your husband. You the craze? Money for hotel too big now for every. Or useless man.
Popo yeke you show metasi.
Money for hotel. Money for hotel. Hotel na 150 for Munich. 100 If you don't lodge, you come on. They know they see hotel 80 euro again. They know they see hotel 50 euro again. So now you carry 100 will be almost 300,000 because 200,000 and 370,000, which means 100 euro should be about going to 200,000, 100 something. Now you can't give you because now you be a weak. God punish you. They pour water for your toto. They wash your toto. They wash your toto. Make they smell good. If your husband want to see pool, if you feel manage pool, you know so to do the smell good. No the pool.
Mary J, thank you for the gift.
You know tell you.
Innocent.
Now you want to do sad. If your husband come and say that my toto, you go just enter like this.
Don't forget the day when lick your period. Don't forget the way you go wash them.
Go and wash your toto. If you buy shampoo, or even if you don't buy shampoo, carry your toto, sit down, pour your toto, wash after your period. If you buy finish, then wash your toto. Anything when you see period, try to bend up for toto so that make that water toto they make that your useless blood when they make your toto they bouquet.
Lord, where they for the husband.
I put this week. I
God when.
But if you reach our house, go they suck about toto.
God when.
Till 1 o'clock.
Hey, you dey forget. You dey forget. Now remember you. Wait now. You dey forget. The day when you dey see period, they tell you say, baby, wash your hand, lick now. You dey forget.
God wait, Popo yeke lawa. Now you can dey set for
everybody they fear you.
I walk out trusting. When not get shame. Popo yeke lawa.
I promise you, I will swear for you. Because I feed you. You eat from my heart. I use my money cook. Now me the cook, they give you the chop. I feed you.
No, today we food. I mean,
shameless woman. The only woman when just started do it, don't follow every year. No,
they beg you. They forget that one. They don't say no, give her food because they beg you.
What's
yes, now that's not truth now. That's not truth. Oh no, truth. You know, say not be everything we go still talk. Don't me office still talk. Me office talk. Not be every day. A case maybe tomorrow if I still feel like maybe they stash me. I must be going to give her word. I must be controlling the money I don't talk. I know they give you food. You know that they beg me if I don't give you food. You know that they beg me. You're not when they come and ask you. They pass some more. You they pass. Now so they buy big rubber. I don't know that I still get the rubber that time because this time I get this kind of big rubber. Well, I sell for you this big rubber. No, that they sell.
Not the shots more.
May God punish you. Pardon me, they chop. Now pardon me, they talk. Not the chop pardon. May God punish you. See, like for the one, me not be found for person when like pardon for Europe because that pardon if you don't put water with your rice. I want put this week because they feel it with your rice. But because of this useless we and some useless boy like when me don't first me, I go your cook. I will go buy that big for us. Punish you. People all of us don't take you. In which your time, make you come for there. Come for there. You they talk to me. Now me they make you the craze this morning now. Not the shame. See your life. Now in the case they make you the craze.
I want to fetch for my God trust us back.
See where I come where your mother there. See where I come where your mother there. Your husband prick rice. Your husband not the shame when not get
He
self
said
dignity
no
for a
one come back. He said man na leave her for waste. I want dangerously. He not
we not
want
gonna
come
leave you
back.
for
He
waste
next don't
because when
come.
you come for single mother, you don't say you leave single mother for waste. We not gonna leave you for waste. When your husband put children
That is
there for you, there for
about
me, they insult me. You don't say you gonna leave you for
adoption.
waste. Ogu agbera, kuku yeke. Now wetin you don't know, man, no say go kill your husband. Ogu agbera. Now wetin you don't know, man, go kill you. Because that's what they talk for matter wey you don't know, man, not to. You not date them when I chop your husband. Now me fair they chop her before you say I pick. If I don't chop her small, leave her for you. If I don't say I carry enter house. If you chop her, you're gonna pour like rat. Your husband don't make my daughter. Now once you say your husband don't make it. Now that daughter she dey carry the waka. But your husband don't born 4 purpose. 5 children. You're not in Nigeria, 6 children. 3 mama.
You know what Papa
Man never. Man never put money for your.
That's why you
Man
come
never
for
put
there.
money
No
for your
one
head.
no
You open your head. You open your head. You go born 4 children. After you don't born finish, you go to put money for your head. You know they shame. You know they shame. And I think what people say people donate the money they put for your head.
You bought for Kuku Yekenu Sal, what it
Not mine now. That time I head by queen, they get issue. Go do pasha, they follow her by queen. I don't know whether he hates me, whether I get problem with me, but today, okay. That one I will not be quiet again. Idiot. See your life. Don't be saying you like that. Anybody want to ask me the past, I don't like them. Because me no go do now, waiting they do me so. I the best go father. I know they carry wahala go they meet that baby mama. So I don't say anybody will come carry wahala come meet me. Or if I call the best go father, they call the kind of frustration they meet me. Me will go cure off now.
You said they ask whether you want come back to the Ekia. That one I
Nothing dead yet. Nothing dead yet. Your husband too broke. Nothing dead yet. Your husband know they walk. He prick on the stand. Now suck if they suck my toto before they feel they come. If you not suck toto, no will come. If not be say na sucky, if not be say not besides your prick matter the born. Your husband join the people when they go born for life. Your husband join the people when they go born for life. That was not besides your prick. Not be matter the born. Your husband join the people when they go born for life. Your husband they smell. Your husband they discuss yourself every day by day. Prick them say I want carry. Nothing dead yeah. If something dead, I don't want to for you. If something dead, I don't want to for you. I tell you something me. If the West Coast carry go. I dash her for you. For nonsense prick. You the grace. If you see prick where they chop, you will live down when you owe. You will live down when you owe. They mad. You don't get to do with a pa. With a fan young prick. That's it there. Now if I the chopper, this is not get. I chop the oil come on. I chop the destiny come on. I love the destiny to way. Nothing dead there. I don't carry this sweat. This people you can make the guy go. I suck the oil. This is why you went there. I do not make to come and help me wash and let me sleep for me. I give every method. Let me super. They don't born a women not suck my toto. Tori and Enogie, you the grace. They don't born you women not suck my toto. They don't born you women not super. Every day mop and join now. You will go arrange and wear. You go leave van. You go close. You the grace. Enogie toto. Now we say they use that. Prick, nothing there your prick. Now we say they use that. If your husband even get life and then you go and let me. After I drop your husband, now you check my life. For your life, what is your family friend? This shall not be family friend. This is my colleague.
Can you call me Tassie B?
This is my colleague. If they not be family friend, then I'm here for the chop the prick. Men no say husband prick useless, no respect, no life.
One like that one na person.
If they guys are take shit, if they go pass a
community prick. Wait.
Agbiyan wa don't me ke yo, wa don't Agbiyan wa.
Since I know 2018.
More than the law, what trust they talk, you not get waiting, what talk, what trust.
Since 2018, come reach today. Then they say person see the jab. This man never jab. Now woman to woman platform, woman to woman house, and they run, they go. If you just say you get comfortable house, you do okay, you will not follow you. Make see where to the sleep in case they find now.
Na drama.
People swear. No God punish me. Say no. You not say you don't know me. Why did you call your camera for? As you don't know me, why you come to answer me? May God punish my mama. I use my leg to turn on one camera. You say you don't know me. Why you call your own camera? For people, when nothing there again, you know what? Let's go more than your word. Now let you the husband. Now me send you message. Now me say me don't get peace for your husband ass. Now me dog you. Now let you the chop the pig before you call up up. I don't go move for you. They cry. I don't go move for you. I don't go move for you. They cry. I don't go move for you.
Me and I want face. Call me.
They open top for your husband. Now they close the door. God do surgery like a boo. Let's press the day here.
Everybody
that prick will not sit there. Second mother will collect some. They crazy. With a right prick, you know they sit down talk. You sabi say you office not for prick. You want me a good die. You office not for a good prick. Nothing fair dead there. Without your big belly, with your body will be like blow, it be like puff. And you test for a good prick. You are kill we. I will prick to toto.
The thing be say, people you cannot suppose pull mats. Now they bring this cost to ourselves. You know this matter.
Ask girlfriend they talk to your husband, they talk. What do you know? I say I go beat your husband. Your husband want me to slap. As he said, they crave. So real life, if I jam your husband, I will give her 2 slap. I want show how much person they do. And anybody when they will not gonna put for online. I will give her 2 slap. And if he try himself, he go collect. God punish you. Else you don't get shit. The man, you know, person when person go they proud of. You know, be your stupidity. Now you come for me. This I go. Since I dare to talk, I never tell anybody say I know you because you know the person that they proud of. You care for me first. May God punish you. What say I do you? Now me want to build a friendship with your goddaughter. I used to build friendship with anybody for this app. It's not who you can to ask questions. Not follow me, do care. I not go follow you back. Not follow me. Come on for yeah. I will block you now. I'm gonna get that. I don't like all of you now. Don't follow me. And now you don't say you want to follow me because of saga. This I'll do saga tomorrow. Oh baby. Who they report my account? May God punish you now. When are they report my account?
They're not fit do anything. No level.
People tell they choose so nice. In this short you go bob put. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. In this short you go bob put. You bob put. You don't want to let us get peace. You see they worry us for inside the TikTok app. Go come delete our TikTok because they advise people.
It always they put mouth for wetin no concern. Now they inherit they carry your problem put for your head though.
No God punish you.
They do that girl.
So today the prick now I live van. Me when like prick any at Topolo. Talk truth. I don't say sorry. You don't know say I like prick Topolo. You know fit another. Topolo you know fit another. We say we can like prick. I know those that don't like me. Because the dirty person. Topolo you don't say you like prick. You don't defend that for me. You don't say that. If you go I do like pig. I just my leg. I don't know. I get both leg. The leg wide. Oh, put this go there inside. Anyhow you want her. If you want like that, nice down like this. Sit down for the prick. If you want like the back and now they go up, they go like something. How the back and they go up for you. If you want me to sit down top like this, anyhow. If you want me to bend like that, you like that. I will bend like this. I will the top of the back on top of your prick. They will use this time. You fit do am. Na single mother dey run am. Single mother of one dey run am. You fit white prick Bubuyeke. You get to talk to take white prick. Na leper dey run am. Leper na dey run am. Ask your husband, no fair fat o. No let your husband dey deceive you na like this I still be. Like this I still be. Na small I tell her great fast like this. No let your husband dey deceive you. Na like this black beauty that for the one. I don't get when I tell use color, use screen. As I have black, so that's why I have be. Then I can't get body small, just small. As in the way it be for this picture. Not something unless more different. All of young man they deceive you. We just sit on top that. I go just they rub the prick. See,
he lets you go mother there. He lets you go mother.
If I want fuck your husband, see the way they do one. Because the man prick, he not big. So that may they enter my toto. If I talk.
Anywhere where we
go they carry married woman, they go they fuck. Now wait till I want to know.
It's been how they see we married woman.
Why they carry married woman go they fuck? Why?
Now wait till I hear for comment section see so.
I see the prick, but not big like this. But I just someone outside and I make a put two check. Now check this. So now this year, experiment.
Now this view made the dragger. So if not be this view, they for not call dragger. Who walk bell view? Wow, dragger.
Oh yeah.
View where they not see they pay put two walk dish.
Oh, this sapo. They don't enter. They don't bear wala.
Why be say your husband cheat?
Enogie for a platform. You want like talk say no Enogie.
Okay, why be say your husband cheat now? You defend the come and call the defend and no buy kuku yeke. No son.
One away night talk now and leave when I'm gonna talk. So go on and get soya. This soya is very good. Hey, we try to buy this soya. You know say your husband your wife. You know say who don't first spoil you. Hey, we prick and like this it be. Come on this side and like this. But what you call the help find they suck to drain now. Okay. Like this it be. So if I want that conduct, I will conduct. Shall I get conduct for business? I don't know.
No bring and come out. You just demonstrate what they demonstrate.
I suppose get condom. Very important.
No, you know you bring and come out. You just that one. Now that you did, don't bring and come out.
Kuku yeke when me when I ladia. Oh when me. Kuku yeke so pass out today. Kuku yeke wow. Oh what kind of trusting?